Okay, in this video I will show you how I would design a navigation bar using TailwindCSS and obviously HTML and CSS. Let's start. I will delete everything here and make the background darker, so that I will make a white navigation bar. And I will start with a div, and the div is going to have a class. It's going to have full width and then some height, for example, I don't know, maybe 24, and then VG white, so that it's white. And this is what it looks like. You can even make this less tall, or decrease the height of the navigation bar. And then I'm going to apply flex and flex row, and I'm going to say items, items center, and here we'll have a bunch of items, and later we will add some padding, but for now we will add a logo. And in this case you could place an image, but I'm going to use some text, so let me put a paragraph here saying logo, and the logo is going to have some classes. I'm going to make this thicker, so actually I'm going to make this bigger, so text, let's say Excel, and font I'm going to say bold, and then actually text to Excel, and also I will add some padding on the X on the white navigation bar, so px say like 4. Okay, great. And then we will add the other links, and to do that we will place some links as inside a div. So we'll have a div here, and then I'm going to have class, and we will say flex, and then flex row. Alright, and then we will have a bunch of links. So let's say A, and I will have like an href of hashtag for now, and I will say like, I don't know, account, and then I will paste this a couple of times, like say 4, and here we'll have like about us, then let's say blog, and then pricing, for example. These are all random, and of course the spacing is not right, so I will first add some spacing on the links here. So I will add a spacing of, for example, 2, actually 3 might be better, and then I have to space the logo with the links here, so I can just add some spacing here. So on the parent navigation bar, maybe let's put like 6 or maybe 8, something like that. And this is how the navigation bar looks. And if you want, you can keep this. However, I like to keep the links usually on the right hand side of the navigation bar. So in this case I will remove the space x8, and what I can do is I can say justify between. If I put justify between, basically we'll use the whole space between the two elements, so between the logo and the links here, and so this is how you achieve that effect. Now you could style the links and everything else. For example, you could put a class on each one of these links, saying, for example, I don't know, font medium, if you want to put more emphasis on the links, and maybe let's say like text gray, I don't know, 600, something like that, and basically copy this class and paste it on the other ones. You could actually use a React component for this if you're using React. And also I want to make this like mobile responsive, and to make this responsive I can say for example hide the links, so I can say hidden, and on LG I want to make this actually I need to remove flex first, and on LG I will say flex, actually inline flex. So on LG will show, actually let me put instead of LG MD for the purpose of this tutorial, and this is what it looks like. And now we could add like an hamburger menu if you want, or for example we can make the logo centered on the mobile view. And to do this, all we have to do is just say something like this. So we could say on the logo MX Auto, but only but only on the small side. So on MD we'll say MX 0. So when I go here, it goes back to normal. And this is how you achieve a cool navigation bar. If you want, I can make another video where I'll explain how to build a hamburger menu, but for now this is a very simple navigation bar. It's just a bunch of line of codes, and this is useful if you just want a simple navigation bar in your project. And so I will see you in the next video.